How to fix Apple Maps directions not working on iPhone. Enable location services. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Here, tap on Location Services. Make sure to toggle on the location services. Now, tap on the Maps option under the Allow Location Access section. Select while using the app. Now go back to Maps and check if it's working. If not, I have another solution. Let's try network connection. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Make sure you're connected to cellular data. If you're connected to any public Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data. Now go back to the Maps app and try again. If it is still not working, I have one more solution. Let's try Enable Background App Refresh. For this, open the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on General. Here, tap on Background App Refresh. Make sure Background App Refresh is turned on for Wi-Fi and cellular data. On the top left corner, tap on Back and scroll down. Make sure that Apple Maps is toggled on. If it is still not working, let's try iOS settings. For this, open the Settings app on your device, then scroll down and tap on General. Here, tap on Software Update. Ensure your device is running the latest iOS version, which might fix any compatibility issues with Apple Maps, and your Maps directions may work. And that's it.